If there's one thing you can count on when it comes to action camera manufacturers, it's that they're always keeping an eye on the future. No matter who you are, GoPro, DJI, or anyone else, you are constantly considering your next product. Last year, GoPro's latest action cameras, both Hero 11 and 11 Mini, have been released. What will GoPro do next in 2023? What cameras can we expect? Today, we'll discuss the cameras that GoPro will release this year as well as some of its major initiatives. Today, we're going to be covering what you can expect from GoPro in 2023 and even a little bit beyond that. Now that we're fully into 2023, people have started to speculate about what's coming next. So, obviously we'll start with the big one. Will there be a Hero 12 this year? The answer is absolutely yes. The Hero cameras are GoPro's flagship cameras, and every year since 2016, they have released a new model. So, you can expect the Hero 12 to release this year. As for its features, that's pretty much just speculation right now. Some improvements that we might see is wireless charging, and end-to-end screen on the back, new lens options, and even 6K videos. The Hero 11 isn't drastically different from the 10. So, you could expect the Hero 12 to have some major upgrades compared to previous his models. As for the release, September 2023 is when we'll see the Hero 12 come out. It may seem like far away right now, but it'll come sooner than you expect. Moving on. Let's talk about the Max 2. The GoPro Max is over 3 years old now, and for the past little while everyone's been wondering when the Max 2 will come out. Many people, including myself, were dead set on it releasing alongside the Hero 11 last year, but unfortunately that did not happen. Now that we've gone so long without seeing or hearing from GoPro about an upgrade, will we even get to see the Max 2? Personally, I think that we will, and so do a lot of other people. The Max was a big hit, and GoPro would be a little silly if they didn't follow up on it. I would be pretty shocked if we didn't see the Max 2 come out this year. So, look for it to drop in 2023. Moving on, I've touched on this next fact a lot since it came out last year, and that's because it's great information directly from Nick Woodman, GoPro CEO. Last series stated that GoPro wants to go more into the professional camera game and has plans to do so in the near future. We didn't get to see a GoPro professional camera last year, so 2023 might be the year we finally get it. However, this topic is a little complicated. If GoPro was to release a pro-level camera, it would be incredibly expensive, most likely in the $1,000 range. So, it wouldn't be something that every consumer would go out and buy. I do think that we will get 100% a pro-level camera from GoPro sometime in the future. I just don't know when. It could very well happen in 2023. However, don't hold your breath for it. I'd say that we should see it come out sometime in the next few years. I also wanted to touch on this. Last summer, patent leaks from GoPro got leaked showcasing a bunch of different products, including a modular camera and even a new drone. I can almost guarantee that sometime soon GoPro will step into the modular camera game, just so they can compete against DJI. We can very well see one of these products come out in 2023 alongside something like the Hero 12. So, stay on the lookout for a modular camera, and when it comes to the drone, I don't think GoPro will ever release a standard drone again. The Karma wasn't the biggest of hits. Personally, I liked it, but I know a lot of people didn't, and there's really no need for the company to do this. Last year they released GoPro drones, which are meant for FPV drones, which I think is good enough. Now, I do think that 2023 will be a very big year for GoPro. You can expect the Hero 12 to release, and the Max 2 and modular cameras are very likely as well. We do have the possibility of seeing a pro-level camera, and maybe even another version of the GoPro Session. I know they released the Hero 11 Mini last year, but we could see them release another camera like that. When you put all of that together, it makes you pretty excited for this year if you're a GoPro fan. Now, I know a lot of you out there have strong feelings about GoPro. So, of course, let me know in the comments area below what you think GoPro's future plans are. But that's the end of today's video. But before you leave, make sure to hit the like button and, most importantly, subscribe with notifications enabled, so you never miss out on great videos like this one again. Thank you. I'll see you in the future video.